Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to hide a page on Wix. This is a really useful feature if you're working on a page that's not quite ready to go live yet, or if you simply want to keep certain pages accessible only through direct links rather than having them show up in your main navigation menu. If you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. Let's jump right in. First, head over to the Wix website and log into your Wix account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Wix dashboard. On the left side of your screen, you'll see a navigation menu with several options. Look for the option labeled Site and Mobile App and click on it. This will trigger a drop-down selection to appear, and from there you'll want to click on Website. This takes you into the specific settings for your website where you can manage all aspects of your site's structure and design. Now that you're on this page, take a moment to verify that this is indeed the website you want to work on, especially if you manage multiple sites under one account. You'll see the website settings displayed here, so double-check the site name or preview to ensure you're making changes to the correct project. Next, locate the Design Site button. You'll find this button on the top part of your screen, typically positioned beside a pen icon. Go ahead and click on it. This button is your gateway to the actual website editor where all the magic happens. You'll now be directed to the Wix website editor screen. This is where you can see your site's layout and make real-time changes. On the top left of your screen, you'll notice a page dropdown or selector. Click on it to access your page management options. This dropdown is essential for navigating between different pages and managing how they appear on your site. Once you click on the page selector, you'll see a list of all the pages that are currently active on your website. These are the pages that visitors can navigate to through your menu or direct links. From this list, locate and click on Manage Pages. This option opens up more detailed controls for each individual page. The left side panel will now transform into a section labeled Site Pages and Menu. This is your command center for organizing and controlling page visibility. Scroll through the list and look for the specific page you wish to hide. Once you've found it, click on the three-dot icon next to the page name. This is often called the More Actions button, and clicking it will bring up a pop-up menu with several options. From this pop-up menu, simply click on Hide from Menu. By selecting this option, the page will be hidden from your main navigation menu, and any page links or anchor interactions tied to it will also be concealed from your visitors. The page itself won't be deleted, it just won't show up in your site's menu anymore, making it accessible only if someone has the direct URL. And that's it. You've successfully hidden a page on your Wix website, giving you more control over what your visitors see and when they see it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.